What makes up a heart-healthy diet? I'm a practicing physician. Let's talk about it. So when we think of a heart-healthy diet, what comes to mind is fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, and of course, healthy proteins. All these foods are rich in nutrients and fiber and are low in saturated and trans fats. When we eat, our body breaks down the food into its basic components: carbs, fat, and protein. And our bodies use this energy to keep us alive and to keep us active throughout the day. The type of diet that you eat can have a major impact on your health and the health of your heart. Eating a lot of processed foods and added sugars over a long period of time can cause excess weight gain, high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. All risk factors for heart disease. On the other hand, eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables can help lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol levels, and overall reduce your risk of developing heart disease. I usually recommend my patients to eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. By this, I mean that you should eat different types of fruits and vegetables of all colors. This ensures that you get a wide variety of nutrients and fiber. Whole grains are also a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber and nutrients, and they can help lower your cholesterol levels. It is recommended that you replace refined grains with whole grains as much as possible. Legumes like beans and lentils are also a great source of protein and fiber and are very heart healthy. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of protein and healthy fats, but they are higher in calories, so you want to consume them in moderation. I also recommend my patients to choose healthy sources of protein like fish, poultry, and beans. These are all good sources of protein without the added saturated fat. You want to avoid processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats as much as possible. These are high in sodium and saturated fat and are not a good source of nutrition. When it comes to dairy, I recommend choosing low-fat or fat-free options like skim milk and low-fat cheese. These options are lower in calories and saturated fat compared to whole milk and full-fat cheese. And finally, you want to limit your intake of added sugars and processed foods as much as possible. These foods do not have any nutritional value, and they are the main cause of excess weight gain and the development of diabetes. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. If you have any questions, please ask your doctor or a dietitian. Take care.